Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your PC and controller fundamentals so the fix actually works. Plug a known good cable into a different USB port. This rules out physical issues. Open Device Manager and find the controller under Human Interface Devices or Other Devices, then right-click to update driver if Windows shows an error. Once done, restart Device Manager view. Make sure to keep the cable connected so Windows can detect the device and apply the correct driver. Next, you remove corrupted software to force a clean installation. In Device Manager, uninstall the controller entry and check Delete Driver software when available. This removes the bad files. Then use Scan for hardware changes so Windows redetects the controller and attempts a fresh driver install. If Windows fails, manually install the Sony package you downloaded earlier or run Windows Update to fetch a compatible driver. Make sure to wait through installer prompts. This avoids partial installs. Finally, you verify the repair and handle lingering problems. Open Steam Big Picture, DS4 Windows, or Control Panels game controllers to confirm inputs register correctly. This proves drivers and mappings are correct. If pairing or erratic inputs remain, press the controller's reset pinhole, then repair. This clears internal state. If issues persist, connect the controller to a different PC to determine whether the root cause is the controller hardware rather than your drivers. That one check saves you hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.